y'all. See, I'm back with another video. Okay, check it out. Here go another one. Yeah, check it out. Delicious that look. Yeah, ham, lettuce, tomato, onions on it. Yes, look delicious, y'all. All right, y'all. That's what I'm bringing y'all today. So you see, I'm on. Well, what I'm doing today, y'all. Check it out. Uh, Alright, y'all. That's what I'm doing today. Let y'all check it out. Yes, it look delicious, y'all. There it is, golden brown fries, and that's what I'm doing today. Another day of a different meal. All right, y'all. So tell me if y'all like this meal or not. Comment below. But most definitely give me that thumbs up. I appreciate y'all doing that. So alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. You see, I already started with the chips already, so I gotta go with your fries. I started. So I got to go, y'all. I'm out. Peace.